Audrey's finger painting.
Oh, Daniel, are you having a little text?
Audrey! Here's the big ball. Ooh. Uh-oh. That's a ball, not a book. Girly, what are you doing? What are you making? Ah! Oh, hi. Why are you making such silly noises? Uh-oh, here comes a baby. It's Audrey's new compound. It's expanded. Look, she's got all this extra room. Here we come. Look how far away I am. Uh-oh. You're strange. Sitting in her toy box. Why are you sitting in your toy box, honey? Just because I can.
She's holding your favorite toy, a wood bottle.
Yeah. You're not going to be able to get out without help, are you? Without causing permanent damage to yourself? No. Let's see. Can you figure it out? Oh, good girl. Can you get the other leg? Get the other leg down. Hi, Audrey. Hi, baby. Hi. Hello? Audrey. Audrey. Hi. Hi. Really? What are you doing, silly? Audrey's first experience with Play-Doh. She hasn't actually really tried to eat it. Ooh, you can squish it. I like the tray better. Audrey, trying peanut butter for the first time. Do you like it? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Chewing the cracker. Don't hate it. It's not as good as cream cheese. What do you think, Audrey? Yummy. Daddy. Peanut butter. Yum. Hi, baby.
There's not a lot of friction. It's still.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty good. Ooh. Ah! Are you checking out some books at the library? You gonna take that one home? Yeah. Daddy, noodles.
Oh, I might do this back up to Queensland.
Make my noodles. You can do it.